Sabton. To analyze a crime. To analyze a problem. Sabton, nimo. Diba? Yung ginagmayo din, analyze. To analyze a story, analyze. To analyze, to know the person is to analyze the face of the person. Look at his eyes. Okay, like, what's your name? Huh? Kate? 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 What's your name? Kate? At Kate? Kate, okay. Kate is your classmate. Okay. To analyze and to make sure that Kate is your classmate is to see her face. Alam mo, yung kilay, yung nose, the shape of her face, ang iyahang, yung height, the tilt of her body, diba? And her smile. Analyze, diba? And come up to a conclusion that indeed she is your classmate. Analyze. Una-unaon kung paano. Analyze. Freedom. Say freedom? O sa Pilipino, kalayaan. Or sa Binisaya? Kaya mga Kristo ganin niya kagawas? Kagawasan. Kagawasan. Freedom. Freedom. For now, you are children. You don't have absolute freedom. You don't have complete freedom. Diba? Because you are children. Diba? But you have freedom to play a little. You have freedom to eat. Diba? You have freedom to do small things. Not complete because you are not yet an adult. Sakto? Freedom. Okay, freedom. And your parents give you the freedom to go to school. Some parents do not give their children freedom. They would like their children to work in the farm. You are given by your parents freedom to go to school. Beyond. Beyond meaning, sa meaning sabihan nila ito? Sobra pa. Diba? Beyond. Beyond the window, we can see a small forest. Beyond the window. Kaya mo siyang